If you're using Bluehost hosting and want to understand CPanel, this video will give you a quick, practical review of how to use it. Whether you're managing website files, setting up email accounts, checking databases, or installing apps like WordPress, CPanel is one of the most useful tools inside your Bluehost hosting dashboard. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to click and what each section does. And if this tutorial helps you out, please hit like and subscribe for more simple web hosting guides. Alright, let's start with the first step. Log into your Bluehost account. Once you're inside your account dashboard, look to the left-hand side menu and click Hosting. This is where Bluehost organizes the hosting plans and tools connected to your website. After that, find and click CPanel. This is the control panel that gives you access to the technical side of your hosting account. When you click CPanel, it should open in a new tab. That's completely normal. Bluehost uses this separate tab to load the CPanel interface, where you can manage different parts of your website and hosting environment. Once it loads, you'll land on the CPanel dashboard, and this is where the real control begins. Let's go through what you can do from here. First, you'll see the File section. This area is used to upload, delete, and organize your website files. If you need to work with themes, images, scripts, or any other files related to your site, this is one of the first places to check. It's especially helpful if you're managing WordPress files or troubleshooting something on your server. Next is Email. In the Email section, you can create and manage custom email accounts connected to your domain. For example, instead of using a generic email address, you can set up a professional address that matches your website. This section is also where you can adjust settings and handle email-related tools inside your hosting account. After that, you'll see Databases. This section is important if your website uses a database, which most WordPress sites do. From here, you can access tools like phpMyAdmin to view, manage, and edit your databases. If you're doing more advanced website maintenance or working with a developer, this area can be very useful. Then there's Domains. This is where you can manage your domains and DNS settings. If you want to connect a domain, adjust records, or handle domain-related changes, this is the section you'll use. It's a central place for making sure your website points to the right location online. You'll also notice the Security section. This is where Bluehost cPanel gives you tools for protecting your website, including SSL-related options and other security features. If you want your site to stay secure and look trustworthy to visitors, this section matters a lot. It's always a good idea to check your security settings regularly. Another useful area is Software. This is where you can install applications such as WordPress. If you're building a website, this section helps you quickly set up the software you need without doing everything manually. For many beginners, this is one of the most valuable parts of cPanel because it simplifies website setup. So overall, Bluehost cPanel gives you a single dashboard to handle the core parts of your hosting account. Files, email, databases, domains, security, and software tools are all available in one place, which makes website management much easier once you know where everything is. If you're new to Bluehost, the best way to learn cPanel is simply to explore each section one at a time. Start with the area you need most, whether that's email, WordPress, or file management, and build from there. The more you use it, the easier it becomes. If this Bluehost hosting cPanel review helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.